What's up, fashionistas? It's your girl Nikki, and I am back with another video. Oh my gosh, I wish y'all saw so much. So much has happened in the past few months. I think my last video was like in December, November-ish, and a lot has happened ever since then. But you know, we back on track, okay? And I'm coming at y'all with a bag video, okay? So yes, you read the title right. I'm unboxing my Telfar bags from Bag Security Program 3. I think I bought these bags, what was it, like October, November? I think last time I dropped the video, that's when I had bought the bags. And they finally got to me in last week. So this is the 25th. So I want to say either this week or last week. So yeah, but I want to go ahead and dig in because I'm ready. I want to show y'all my bags. I only got 3. I didn't go too crazy. Telfar bags are expensive, and I am not wealthy enough to be buying more bags. Like, as you can see, I got some right there. So it's like, let me just go what was in my budget. And you know, Klarna came in clutch at the time, you know. And even then, I had to push some famous bag. You know what I'm saying? But it's okay. It's okay. But let's go ahead and take it to the bags. Okay. Okay. So this is the bags that it came in. I only got 3, like I said. So we're gonna start off with the small one first. I got a small white. As y'all know, they come in the plastic. Well, if you don't know, now you know. They come in this plastic bag, and then it has like in the bottom what the bag is, the color, and the size. And on the plastic, it just says Telfar Estate 2005 in New York City. And then you open it up, and it comes with a dust bag, like so. I love keeping the dust bags always. And so, first one is a small white. So this is what it's looking like. Oh my gosh. I don't know, this bag is so cute and clean and stuff. And that's what makes me nervous to wear, because it's white bags. I don't think I've ever owned a white bag ever, which is crazy because it's like a staple piece. But it's like I get so nervous with white bags because it gets so dirty. So this is it untangled. I'm not untangled, but the strap thing holder taken off. So this is what it is. If you don't know, I am about 5'6". So a small, let me scoot this back a little bit on my outfit, but a small just goes to like right by my hips. So that's what that looks like. So yeah, so that's what that looks like. And of course, oops, and of course you can't adjust the straps, of course. You can put like a crossbody or like on the side or anything. When you first open the bag and start using it, you know, the straps, you know, they look wobbly and everything, but such and such, it's still a cute bag. This is what the inside looks like. Let me see. I never take the tags. Like, as you can see, like all of the tags on my bags are still on there. But yeah, so I always keep the tags on there just in case it's like 3 months down, I haven't worn. I'm like, yeah, let me just go ahead and sell this because it's not what I thought it was. But I've only sold one, which is a large, which I'm kind of sad about because I did get a medium as well in this haul. So it's like, I wish I had like my large so I could pair all 3 sizes, and that would have been better. But this is what the inside looks like. It has like the little compartment here. And I realize the smalls don't have the compartments just like the mediums and larges do, which makes sense, of course, because you know, what do you need more room in this small thing? You can barely fit anything in there. I wish I had I'm recording on my phone, so it's like I can fit it in there, but you could fit a good amount of things. Like this body serum, this travel size is about 1.7 ounces. It can fit in there. You can lie it down or anything. You can still close it. Be able to, like, if you stood it up, I don't think you'll be able to, if you did close it. I don't know, when you first get the bags, the quality isn't like sturdy. And I don't understand, it is vegan leather. So, and there was like a whole debate on TikTok or Twitter. They say like the bags, after a while you start using them and they don't feel as sturdy. but it's like I kind of like the not so sturdy look. Like mine, like these feel a little bit more, you know, free, like they've been used, of course. But these, when you first get them, it's like, it's giving, but it's not like, it just feels so, you know. I'm not trying to bash, like, I'm just saying, like, it's crazy that the way I like the bags, some people hate the bags the way that they like the bags. It's not my style. Like, I'm gonna love the bag regardless. I'm gonna support Telfar regardless. But it's just, when they're a little bit looser and they don't have a shape anymore, that's when I like the bag, is what I'm saying. So, especially with the smalls, because the mediums, I can, you know, break those in a little bit easier than the smalls, because they're very, very tiny and they like to fold back up like so. It's very stressful, but yes. So this is the small white and I love it. I love it so much. Like, this is such a beautiful bag. I think I'm so happy. I've wanted the white since I first found out about Telfar. What was it, like 2020, I believe? I think, was it 2020? 2021, somewhere around that. Like, I've just been in love with Telfar bags. So to have a white bag now is just like amazing. Like, look how beautiful that looks. I love it. And it's a pretty good size. I like the size. Of course, it's not like an everyday bag, but in general, when I do, I don't really put that much stuff in my bag, in a bag anyways. I'll just put like lip gloss, some mascara, and that's about it. Like, a small is like perfect for me. That's why I have these. Like, the smalls are a staple. You need at least one small Telfar in your collection. Like, don't just be having like mediums and large. Like, try just one small. You're gonna love it. I promise. I promise. And if I don't, if you don't like it, then, well, promises are made to be broken, right? Okay, so next bag. Okay, so the next bag is, let me see, is this my Beyonce bag? No, it's not. It's not my Beyonce bag. And you'll understand what I mean when I get to that bag, which is last. Gotta say the best for last, because it's my Beyonce bag. But this color I had to get, okay? Like, spring is coming up. I'm gonna be dropping an outfit, like, you know, I'm gonna start putting fits together. And so I just had to get this bag. I was like, when it first dropped, I was like, my bank account will be sad right now. So at a point where I cannot afford this bag because I am devastated. But like, this might be my favorite Telfar bag. And I have the fleece UGG one, and I thought that was my favorite. But no, this bag, this color, everything about it, I'm so in love with it. Like, I think this is my favorite. So I gotta do like a drum roll. The Painter's Tape medium bag. Oh my gosh, let me tell y'all, this bag is like, do you see the color, the radiance, everything? Like, this bag is the it girl bag. Do you understand me? Like, let's really get into the bag. Like, the color is exuberating bad bee energy. The color is radiating material girl energy. Even though, like, don't be a materialistic woman, but like, it's giving it girl. It's giving rich auntie vibes. It's giving I'm on my stuff and you can't tell me nothing. Like, this is the bag. I don't even want to take the strap off. It's so perfect. I just want to put it back in this bag and just leave it. Just let it be perfect, because this is it. This is the it bag. Okay, don't play. I don't care what you guys say about Telfar, but when he made a Painter's Tape color bag, he was in his bag. He was in his bag because the creative mind behind this color. It's crazy because I painted my room like 2 years ago. What was it, like 2-3 years ago? What was it, 2022? 3 years ago. And I was using Painter's Tape to like paint my room so I didn't get on like my baseboard and stuff. I was like, bruh, it's a really pretty color. But my mind didn't think like, oh, that would be a cute color. That's why I think Telfar is so smart for this. You know what I'm saying? This is like a little bag. This is like my child. Like, I have to protect this bag. You understand me? It's a beautiful, beautiful color. Let's take off the strap so we can really get into it. Like, imagine pairing this with like a mint green, or like, oh no, like a light green, or like a nude. Oh my gosh. Let's take that on. Put that here. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. So this is the medium. Like I said, I am 5'6". So if I stand up, and this is how it goes, a little bit lower, like it covers my bum. So it goes a little bit, it's long enough, especially since it's still kind of folded up. Once it loses its shape, it's gonna be as such. It will stay down. But like, come on. You can't see somebody walking down the street with this bag and I'll be like, you have to compliment them. Like, this is giving, I want to be like her when I grow up type of bag. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is it. This is it. I'm sorry y'all can't see my face when I show the bags. When I stand up, like, forget my face. It's the bag that y'all paying attention to anyways. Like, come on now. Okay. This bag is it. Like, you can't tell me nothing else. Like, this bag is it. Point blank period. I cannot wait. I'm gonna do like a styling video, maybe separately from this, because I can't put the fits together yet, okay? Like, just wait. After I do my next video, which is a surprise, I can't tell y'all. It arrives today, so I can't tell y'all yet. But I can't wait. But once I get that, do that video, and then I'll do the styling video. Y'all gonna be like, I see why you waited, girl. I see why you waited. Cause like, this is it. This is it. Period. Come on now. You see it? I'm happy. Like, I am so happy with my purchase. This is the best bag ever. This is the best bag. Like, this is, I'm in my bag. I feel like I have to go out and join like Black women in tech, because I feel like I'm not gonna be on my stuff. You know, I'm gonna be like the coolest teacher ever when I walk into the school with this bag. I'm like, oh, let's see what you got. I'm like, girl, I paid this tape Telfeereeeeeeezy. A Telfeereeeeeeezy. I literally started one real greasy. Cause hello. First of all, this is my new Beyonce bag, cause this is how I feel. I feel like Beyonce. I feel like Beyonce at Coachella, cause like, wow. I feel empowered. Like, imagine me. Hello. Excuse me. Oh, Telfee's come through. You can't send me nothing, period. But on to the next bag. The moment we have all been waiting for. This is actually like the first bag I had added to my cart when bag security program number 3 had opened. This is like the first bag I went looking for. Like, I know how I just raved on about the painter's tank, but like, no, like this is my Beyonce bag, okay? You gonna know why I got my Beyonce bag. Before I even show y'all, let me take the straps off, because y'all finna get into it. And it's everything. This is the medium white Telfar. Now, let me tell y'all something, okay? Let me tell you something. Let me not even back out. Let me say something. Spring is among us, okay? So when I'm popping out with these neon colors, and y'all know I don't wear like too much bright colors, but like when I pop out with these neon colors and then whip it down, pow. Oh, y'all gonna know something. Y'all gonna know something. Y'all gonna know me. I'm gonna be. Like, if you don't follow me on Instagram yet, go follow me on Instagram. Good baby. Hunty. Oh, because I'm gonna serve looks. I'm serving the girls looks. I'm serving the girls fits. Okay? I'm serving the girls cool auntie vibes. I'm serving the girls Telfar teacher vibes. Like, don't play with me. So, cause that'll be cool. When I come through. I'm gonna shade. So let me give a shade. This wasn't even the right color I was looking for. But come on now. Like, come on, hold on. Yeah, I'm in my bed. And his too. What about it? What about it? Like, do y'all not understand where I'm going with this? Yeah. But this, I forgot to mention it in the last clip, but this bag is the medium and it can hold like a lot. Like I didn't show the inside of the last one, which I should have, but it can hold like a good amount. Like I don't even think you would need a large unless like travel, but still, like this could be a great carry-on. It does have the inside compartment like so where you can put like small stuff like you would put in a mini in here, and then put any like other stuff like your laptop. Actually, I have a laptop that so like I said, it could, shoot, hold on, let me fix it. I'm not trying to ruin this because it's white. You gotta be very careful. So I don't know the size of the bag, but it is the laptop, but it is an HP bag, so you can put it in like that and carry it around like that, up like so. It can't go sideways because the bag isn't wide enough for this type of laptop. It is pretty huge, but the other HP laptop I do have, because it's an old one, it needs to go. But in general, that's besides the point. The other one laptop, it would fit in here because I have fit my laptop in my other medium Telfars, but this is a good size. Like sometimes I go to work with like supplies for the day for the students, and everything can fit in there with no problem, and I can still fit some more stuff in here. Like, and I take a lot of supplies to work because I'm a teacher. Like on a daily basis I have to take a lot of things. Like we switch things up every day in the classroom, so it's like, this is the perfect bag. This is the perfect bag. This probably wouldn't be a bag I'm gonna take to work because I don't want it to get dirty or anything. Maybe like on a night out, or like if I'm going like running errands in the daytime, like on the weekend, then I'll use it. But other than that, this is the bag. This is the bag. You understand me? My Beyonce bag. And I'm gonna show a clip on why I call it, and not a clip, a picture of why I call it the Beyonce bag, like right here somewhere. But no, this is really good. Like, I love the bag. This is a great color, especially for the spring. I mean, it's a white, it's also a neutral color. You could really wear it any season, but because of the spring season coming up, this is so perfect, and I cannot wait to wear it. Can't wait to show y'all how I style it. Oh, I can't wait for y'all. I can't wait to show y'all this video. But yes, this bag is amazing. I love the size. I think this is the perfect size. I mean, it is just like it's not an everyday bag, but it is an everyday bag. You know what I'm saying? Like, depending on how you use your, like this color, no, because it's white. You have to be very, very careful because it will get dirty and dingy because it is vegan leather. You want to be very, very careful with the type of stuff you put on any bag, especially the UGG Sherpa ones and the UGG fleece ones. But like white, you have to be very, very careful because it can get very, very dingy real quick. Like this is one of those bags I just might have to keep in the dust bag just to be on the safe side. So yeah. All right guys, so that is the end of my video. I really hope y'all enjoyed the videos. Let me know if y'all have any questions about the bags. I will do a sizing, like how much can I really fit in a Telfar bag, and let it like close, and styling videos. So stay tuned. I have a lot of stuff coming for y'all. If y'all want a review on this, I only use Kalai hair nowadays, so if you want a review on like how I feel about Kalai hair and how it took the dye and stuff like that, let me know, because this is a new hairstyle and I will be taking it out very, very soon because baby big excited for me. Just let me know, because this video, what is it, the 25th? This video will be hopefully posted by the 27th. So yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace. Hold on, wait, before I forget, y'all know the drill. Y'all know you're supposed to share before you go. And share to who? Share to your mommy, your daddy, your auntie, your uncles, your grandparents, the nieces, nephews, friends, next door neighbors, your teacher, your student, your colleague, all that, period. Okay? Now I see y'all.